I'm now going to be checking your range of motion with this goniometer. I want you to bend your wrist up as far as you can. Now bend all the way down. Now bend all the way out, then all the way in. I'm now going to be checking the range of motion of your spine. You turn to the side. I'm going to be using inclinometers, placing one in the top of your skull and the other in the top of your spine. Bend your head all the way forward. Bend your head all the way back. Bend your head all the way to the right. Bend your head all the way to the left. Thank you. Now if you could turn back.